Imagine waking up each day to a flourishing bank account that continues to grow, even as you enjoy your morning cup of coffee. This isn't some far-fetched dream or out-of-reach side hustle. In fact, this is the reality for many everyday people, just like you, who have unlocked the door to financial liberation with this simple, automated online venture. This is the world of YouTube automation, an innovative business model that enables you to earn over $700 daily by uploading specialized, faceless YouTube videos in your chosen niche. The beauty of YouTube automation lies in its ease and flexibility. You can manage your channel from anywhere in the world with internet access. There is no need to show your face or become a traditional YouTube influencer, and it costs little to no money to get started. Today, we are going to reveal the most lucrative niches for YouTube automation and guide you through how to easily create compelling faceless videos. We'll also share our top strategies for fast-track success and illustrate how this automated business model can transform your online earnings, just as it has for many digital entrepreneurs and side hustlers. Before we dive into the details, if you are new to our channel, hello and welcome to Digital Hippie, where we explore the world of earning income online through innovative business models and AI tools and automation, empowering you to work less, earn more, and live hippie. If you're all about transforming your digital dreams and crafting your reality, spread love by tapping that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay groovy with our content. Hop in, let's ride the digital wave. YouTube automation possibilities. While exploring YouTube, you might not have noticed, but there are numerous faceless channels garnering millions of views and thousands of subscribers. These channels explore diverse topics such as finance, technology, business, and motivation, to name a few. The content is created using simple stock footage and is paired with a voiceover. For instance, consider World According to Briggs, a finance-focused channel. According to socialblade.com, they're earning up to $21,700 monthly, approximately $723 daily. Another channel, Fireship in the technology niche, boasts over $41,000 in monthly earnings, surpassing $1,000 per day. You might be thinking, that's unrealistic. These channels clearly have millions of subscribers and years of experience, so obviously they earn a lot on YouTube. True, the mentioned channels have been around for 3 to 5 years. However, newer channels like Far From Weak in the motivation niche and the AI Grid in tech are also experiencing rapid success and growth, despite being relatively young. For example, the AI Grid launched in March 2023 and is now making nearly $10,000 per month from their YouTube automation channel in less than a year. Also, keep in mind that the figures from Social Blade only represent YouTube advertising revenue and don't account for other potential income streams these channels may be implementing. So yes, you can also build a thriving YouTube automation business and potentially scale it to over $700 per day. And we'll show you exactly how you can get started. With the discovery of this new AI tool, you won't believe how simple it is to create these types of faceless videos and achieve similar results yourself. The tool you need is InVideo AI. This AI software revolutionizes video creation, allowing you to generate perfect, ready-to-upload videos with just a few clicks. You provide a prompt, and it scripts and produces your entire video within minutes. It's truly a game-changer for faceless YouTube creators, and mind-blowing how simple it is to execute your content with InVideo AI. We'll be sure to include a link to InVideo AI in our description so you can start creating your video content today. Before we delve into how to create faceless videos with InVideo AI, it's important to note that YouTube pays differently across channels based on their topics. Therefore, choosing the right niche is crucial when starting your YouTube automation journey. Choose a high CPM niche. It's important to select a niche with high CPM or cost per mil, which refers to the revenue you'll earn from YouTube ads per 1,000 views. High CPM niches often attract more affluent audiences and align with industries that command higher advertising rates due to their high-value conversions. Usually, educational topics have an edge over purely entertaining ones in terms of CPM. For example, a channel reviewing technology gadgets or business software would have a much higher CPM than, let's say, a channel focused on pranks or daily vlogs. To take the guesswork out of choosing your channel niche, we asked ChatGPT to provide us with the top 5 highest CPM niches on YouTube. ChatGPT provided the following: finance and investing, technology and gadgets, business and entrepreneurship, health and wellness, and luxury lifestyle and high-end travel. These niches yield between $10 to $30 per 1,000 views. With this in mind, let's proceed to create your first video using InVideo AI. Creating your YouTube automation videos. You want to start by heading over to InVideo AI. We included a link in our description below. Once you sign up to InVideo AI using our link provided, open the interface and you'll find a straightforward black screen with several options. You can choose from 4 different workflows: YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainer Video, Recent Events Video, and Script to Video. The AI's requirements vary depending on your selected workflow. For today's demonstration, let's opt for the YouTube Explainer Video workflow. This choice unlocks new input fields. The first first input allows you to determine the video's length, which we usually aim for 10 minutes. Then you will instruct the AI to create a video on your chosen topic. Let's go with the topic of motivation. The tool will then generate a completed video in the motivation niche. If you want something more specific within motivation, such as a motivational video about daily habits for entrepreneurs and online business success, you should provide that detail. This extra info guides the AI to create content aligned with your targeted video topic. You can also add additional creative direction in the provided box, asking for a particular tone or a sense of humor. The tool will then ask for background music preferences, allowing you to specify the mood, like serious and motivational, or inspiring and motivational. Additionally, you can choose the voice's gender and style. The AI provides more customization options, allowing you to fine-tune your vision and video's content. In video, AI simplifies video creation, offering remarkable customization features. Once you've selected all your options, click Continue. Wait a few minutes while the AI creates your video, and voila, the video is now complete. Let's take a quick peek at what the AI created.
Have you ever wondered why some entrepreneurs achieve more success than others? The answer, more often than not, is found in their daily habits. In this bustling world, where we are constantly bombarded with information and decisions to make, our habits serve as the autopilot that navigates us through the chaos.
Pretty good, huh? Now, if you want to make edits, it's easy. Click Edit and choose between editing the script or media. For instance, let's say you want to replace a clip you don't like. It's straightforward. Select Edit the media, see current images and videos and the corresponding text. You can switch out any of the stock footage and match imagery to media keywords. You also have the flexibility to adapt the script as needed, right from the InVideo AI platform. If you need a sentence removed, the AI adjusts the voiceover and imagery accordingly. Additionally, you can edit with a prompt from the project page as shown in our example. To export your video for YouTube, click Export and Export Video. Choose the resolution and desired settings. One important point is that while you can use the tool for free, the exported video will be low-res with a watermark. To take it seriously and potentially make money from your YouTube automation videos, you'll need to subscribe, which isn't very expensive. The Plus plan is $25 per month and is ideal for beginners. Think of it as an investment. Once you start creating, uploading, gathering views, using AdSense, and implementing other monetizable streams such as affiliate links, digital products, or courses, a single video can quickly cover your monthly or yearly subscription costs to InVideo AI. It's a tool that allows you to create videos efficiently, making it well worth the investment if you're serious about your YouTube automation business. After exporting your video, the content is ready for YouTube upload in just about 10 minutes, a task that could otherwise take multiple days. The motivational guide created in today's demonstration is now available on our channel, so you can witness the quality for yourself. Though we focused on motivation in this instance, remember, InVideo AI is versatile. It can produce various types of content, including listicle videos. For example, you could create a top 10 list of the world's richest families using the explainer video option. Motivational content is also popular on Instagram, where you can attract large audiences with concise, impactful messages. InVideo AI efficiently crafts these short videos, suitable for platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and more. To create these, choose the YouTube Short option in the tool. This format isn't limited to YouTube. It's perfect for other short-form social media platforms as well. The AI guides you through the process, even adding subtitles automatically to save editing time. You have complete control over the video's appearance, message, and target audience. Once the AI finishes, you'll have engaging, platform-optimized content ready to share, expanding your reach with motivational messages tailored to each platform's audience. Strategies for accelerated success. The sooner you begin, the faster you'll start witnessing results. While YouTube may feel overcrowded with creators, the platform has over 80 billion monthly visits and users spending at least 40 minutes per session, making YouTube's potential massive. It's the second largest search engine, just behind Google, highlighting its expansive reach. We recommend you start creating content that resonates with you. Whether it's no-face product reviews, motivational pieces, instructional guides, or any niche where passion, knowledge, and profitability aligns. Leveraging the InVideo AI tool streamlines the entire content creation process, making it quicker and more efficient. As a result, you may be pleasantly surprised at how your life and bank account can transform over the next 6 to 12 months on YouTube. The YouTube landscape is constantly evolving, and new content creators continue to find unique ways to attract audiences. With dedication and creativity, you can carve out your own space in the platform's diverse ecosystem. While saturation might be a concern, it's important to remember that quality content, consistency, and a distinct voice can set you apart. Embrace the idea that you're not just another content creator. You bring a unique perspective, knowledge, style, and passion to your niche. Moreover, the possibilities for diversification are endless. You can explore multiple content formats, collaborate with other creators, engage with your audience, and even monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, digital products, merchandise, and so much more. It's a dynamic and evolving journey, and by getting started, you position yourself to grow alongside this ever-expanding online community. So don't let concerns about saturation hold you back. Instead, focus on the opportunities that await. Now, if you really want fast-tracked efforts and professional guidance on your journey, consider the Tube Mastery and Monetization course by Matt Parr, a successful YouTube automation coach. His course, featuring over 70 video modules, access to his private Facebook community coaching, and countless other resources, is designed to help you launch and grow a profitable YouTube automation channel in 6 months or less. Feel free to check out the course details via the link in our description. Well, friends, that's all for today's session. Thanks for joining this enlightening ride towards online success and financial liberation with YouTube automation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. This is Digital Hippie, encouraging you to work less, earn more, and live hippie. Stay groovy.